Hello everyone, how are you? In the previous video, I had given you few algebraic identities. I continue with those. I am very much sure that you have remembered all those formulae. Now today we will be applying those formulae in questions. So first identity was x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Right, this was the first identity. Now I'm going to solve few questions based on this. Question is, using suitable identity evaluate. First is x plus 5 into x plus 3. Right, now if you compare this with the formula, here instead of x we are having x only, instead of a you are having 5, right, instead of b we are having 3. So put these values here in the identity. So x as it is, so I write x square plus, what is a? 5 and b is 3, so 5 plus 3 multiplied by x plus we have a into b, that is 5 into 3. Now 5 plus 3 is 8, right, so we get x square plus 8x plus 15. See, if it had not been written using suitable identity evaluate, right, if they have simply written simplify, then you can simply open the bracket. Right, you can simplify this by opening the bracket, that is x multiplied by x plus 3 plus 5 multiplied by x plus 3. Right, so you'll be getting the same answer. I come to second question, that is x plus 3 into x minus 1. Now again, instead of x we are having x here. What is a? A is 3 and b is minus 1. So put the values in the formula again. So we have x square plus, we have a plus b into x. So what is a? 3 plus b is minus 1 into x plus 3 into minus 1, that is a into b. Right? So we have x square plus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3. So we have x square plus x minus 3, because 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1x means x only. I come to next, that is 2x minus 5 into 2x plus 7. Right, now please listen carefully. Here instead of x we are having 2x. Right, so wherever in the formula you were having x, I'll put 2x there. What is a? A is minus 5 and b is 7. So we have x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So what is x? Instead of x we have 2x. So square of 2x plus a plus b. So minus 5 plus 7 into x was 2x, so multiplied by 2x plus minus 5 into 7. So simplify, square of 2 is 4, so I get 4x square, and minus 5 plus 7 is 2, so 2 into 2x, and here plus into minus is minus, so we have 5 7s are 35. So we have 4x square plus 4x minus 35. Next is x square plus 7 into x square minus 3. Now instead of x we are having x square, right? So wherever we have x we'll put x square. So square of x means square of x square plus, what is a? 7 and b is minus 3. So 7 minus 3 into, instead of x I write x square plus a into b, that is 7 into minus 3. So square of x square will be x raised to power 4, powers will get multiplied, and 7 minus 3 is 4, so 4x square minus 21. Right, next is we have to evaluate 101 into 103. Right, so if we want to make it in the form of the identity, so I can write 101 can be written as 100 plus 1 and 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Right, so it is of the form x plus a into x plus b. Right, so use the formula. Instead of x I put 100, square of 100 plus a plus b, that is 1 plus 3 into x is 100 plus a into b, that is 1 multiplied by 3. So square of 100 will be 10,000 and 1 plus 3 is 4, so 400, 4 into 100 plus 3. So simplify this, you'll get the answer, that is 10,403. Next is 107 into 95. Right, now 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. See, we have various methods, but if you want to use the identity, then that's why I'm writing it as 100 plus 7 and 100 minus 5, so that these two are same, right? So that they become of the form x plus a into x plus b. Otherwise 107 could have been written 110 minus 3 also, right? But since we are using that identity, so these should be same. That's why for 107 I write 100 plus 7 into 100 minus 5. So use the formula square of x, that is square of 100, plus a minus b, that is 7, a plus b. So b is minus 5. So therefore I write 7 minus 5 into x is 100 plus 7 into minus 5. Simplify these, right? So you have 10,000 plus 200 minus 35. So that is 10,165. Then I come to next identity, that is a plus b whole square. What is it? A square plus b square plus 2ab. While a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? In both the formula you have a square plus b square, that is same. If you have a plus b whole square, that will be here you'll have plus 2ab. And if it is minus sign, then we write minus 2ab. So based on this, I have given few questions. First is, we have to find the square of 2x plus 5, right? So square of 2x plus 5, use the formula a plus b whole square. What is that? Square of first plus square of second plus 2 into first into second, right? That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So square of first, what is first? 2x. So square of 2x plus square of second, that is square of 5 plus 2 into 2x into 5. So this becomes 4x square plus square of 5 is 25, and here we get 20x. Second, we have 3x minus 1 whole square. So we use the formula a minus b whole square, and what is that? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So that is square of first plus square of second minus 2 into first into second, right? So if you simplify, you get 9x square plus square of 1 is 1 and minus 6x. Similarly, if we have to evaluate square of 101, right? So we can write 101 can be written as 100 plus 1, so whole square. Now use the formula a plus b whole square. So square of first plus square of second plus 2 multiplied by first multiplied by second. So on simplification, right? Simplify these. So you're getting 10,201. Similarly, if we have square of 99. So 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. So I write square of 99 as 100 minus 1 whole square. Now use the formula square of first plus square of second minus 2 multiplied by first multiplied by second. Right? I hope you are understanding, because you have done this in your previous class, 8th class also. So square of 100 becomes this 10,000 plus square of 1 is 1 minus 200. So on simplification you get 9,801. Next identity is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. See, if you have understood the formula properly, so we can, just by looking at the question, you can say which identity is to be used, right? So do practice them by writing them again and again. Now see, here based on this formula, we have first question is 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. So that is a minus b into a plus b form. So what is that? Square of first minus square of second. So square of first, that is square of 2x minus square of 3 is 9. So we have 4x square minus 9. Similarly here, next question is x square minus 3 over 2 multiplied by x square plus 3 over 2. See, they are same, only signs are different. So again we can use the formula a minus b into a plus b. So what is that? A square minus b square. So that is square of first minus square of second. So square of x square minus square of 3 over 2. So we have x raised to power 4 minus 9 upon 4. Next is 101 into 99. 101 can be written as 100 plus 1 and 99 as 100 minus 1, right? So it is again of the form a plus b into a minus b. So what is that? A square minus b square. Square of first minus square of second. So 10,000 minus 1 is 9,999. Finally, I come to last question, that is 95 into 105. 95 can be written as 100 minus 5 into 100 plus 5. So again it is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So square of first minus square of second. On simplification you get 9975. I hope you have understood. In the next video we'll be discussing about other identities also. Thank you.